Today we are playing Bed Wars in Hypixel. As you can see on my right side, I have my other friend, and we are playing Bed Wars today. Yeah, on Hypixel, because we heard that was the best Minecraft server to play on. Right? Yo, you need to speak.
Okay.
Let me invite you to my lobby. P. Boom. Oh, you're already in. Let's get to spawn real quick, so we can go into our first Bed Wars game menu. Bed Wars. Okay, are you in?
No, I'm not.
Okay, I will just real quick. No, we need doubles. This is doubles. Wait. Why?
I'm in one of the business lobbies right now.
Okay, are you into? Oh, there you are. I see you. Now we 10. Oh, wait. 10 seconds. The game starts. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's try to win the game. Okay, we are on Aqua team. Okay, you got that. I'm gonna go get I never played on this server. Item shop. Oh, this is it. I'm gonna go protect our bed. Nice. I'm gonna get. Oh, that went fast. One of the beds are already gone. I need an iron ingot, and I can get that. My bed.
I get some of your wool.
My wool. Take off.
Thank you.
No problem. Isn't there a fireball that I can have? No. Wait. Why don't this server have fireballs? Wait, if anyone sees this, do they have fireballs? I really want to know if they have. TNT? Utility click. Oh, there we go. There we go. I have the fireball. We can snipe people now.
Yeah, I'm going to get some diamonds. I got 4 diamonds.
Bet. Let's get. Should we get? There. Shall we get white?
What do you think?
Yeah, let's do that. They don't. I don't think they are paying attention. Gonna block up. Oh yeah, they totally do see me. Okay, I got this. I played Bed Wars many times. I just need them to get up here. Oh shit.
Wow.
Do that. Then they fall. Then I'm blocking up. I'm gonna go. No! I fell.
Again?
No, they punched me off. That wasn't very nice. I will need my stuff back. I want it back. Okay, we have a war against those. I need 4. Do you have iron ingots? No, gold ingots. We need TNT so we can go over the base. Oh, they're pushing us. They're pushing us. Oh no, house brother good. No, what the hell? They're in our base. Our bed's gone.
Yeah, we're probably good.
Nah, get down here. Get down here. We need to talk about what you did. Get down here. No, they actually listened to me. I died. Yeah. Alright, to the next game. Play again.
I'm still alive, so.
Wait, are you still alive?
Oh.
No, what?
Yes, I was still alive. But now you see me to here.
It said you were dead.
No, I didn't.
You didn't die?
I didn't die because I'm a professional.
Oh, I didn't know that. We already spent. Oh, we're green team. No. Yeah, we're green team. Give me all this. Give me all this. I need to get a stack, I think. Hey, we got XP. Then I'll get my fireball. I will do some protecting.
I'm gonna find the diamonds. Wait, where are the diamonds?
I don't know.
Oh, they're over there.
I think we are pretty good for new players. But the other peoples are good too. I'm going with ya. I got the diamonds. Upgrades. Wait, should we? I'm gonna buy reinforced armor. So now we got protection 1 on our armor. Wait, do you have 4 gold ingots?
I have 3.
That's not enough. We need 4.
I have a diamond sword. I have an iron sword.
Oh. We will need 3 iron. No, 4 gold. 4 gold, I mean. And then we can buy the TNT. Get all that. Oh, I just thought someone would. Oh, I'll bet. Get. The bed is gone. The bed is gone.
No.
Get the. Oh. I don't think we can go for blue team right now. Pretty decent defense. But we could go for yellow.
I think we need more protection to our bed next time.
Yeah, probably. If one of us goes to another base, the other one can protect. And that other dude I killed didn't have any diamonds on him. Or else I would have gotten it. It's not time to give up. Oh my, they are like reinforcing their bed as hell right now. Shall we go for yellow team?
Do you have any diamonds?
No, they're in the end chest.
But I can't see them because it's not my chest.
I know, but right now we can't do this. We need to kill someone's bed. Oh, yellow's out.
Is yellow out?
Yeah. I'm
I
going.
have an idea.
Wait! I'm getting pushed.
Okay.
Don't die, don't die, don't die.
No.
You died?
Yes.
They're getting onto me. Should I just stay here or jump them?
No.
I got one of them. He had 20. Wait, should I just jump down so we can play again?
If you want to.
Yeah. First, I will throw all of my good stuff so they won't get it. Yeah. And I will go into a new game. Oh yeah, guys, you should rate our skins. Where are you? There you are. Oh, wait.
Wait, what?
Did you fill out too?
Yes.
Oh, weird.
Just get into a new game.
Yeah, I will. I'm going to the doubles. Doubles. You in? Oh, radar. Come here, come here, come here. Radar skins. We are very. We spent. No, he spent a lot of time on these skins just for this channel. And I really do appreciate that
Oh,
for
we
him.
got pink.
Oh, we got pink. Mm, 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 mm. I need 4. Nice. So I'm gonna wait. If can you like make a big defense on the bed?
Yeah.
Meanwhile, I can go kill the others.
Yeah.
Should I already go for the white team?
No, I don't think so.
I think I can do it. Nah, bro just fell into the void. I need help. I need help. He's jumping us. Can I afford? No. Wait. Do you have ingots? Do you have gold ingots? No.
I have
Iron
pinks.
ingots. Iron ingots. Be careful.
Yes.
Get him. Get him. Get him.
I'm trying. I'm trying. What? Did he also take our bit?
No, he didn't. Okay, you
Yes,
got
we
him.
got
You
it.
got him.
Come on.
Nah, he just 2v1'd us. Bro, we will need to get their beds.
Yeah, 100%. And do you have any gold?
Gold? Yeah.
Thank you. I'm just gonna get iron sword and then I can cook.
Yeah, let's go get him. Let's get our revenge. I'm going for that bit. No, I fell into the void.
Don't die.
No, I fell into the void. They're coming to us.
No. Just one more gold, please.
Oi, oi, oi. Nah, he thinks he's tough. Bro, you need to help. Yeah, our bed just got destroyed because none of us can do shit.
I died.
I'm just gonna hop into the void. I don't even care.
We are very bad at this game.
Nah, it's because every Hypixel player is like pros.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, sir.
Let's see about that. Yay, we're red.
DPA. Alright, so which team we going after first this time?
I don't know.
You should,
Why should I?
cause that's important to
I
know.
have a stack.
Well, I do too. Gonna get that to reinforce our armor even better. Get out here and reinforce. Give me some more wool. Nice. They are blocking to us already. You actually got to be kidding. You actually got to be kidding me. Don't think I'm stupid. Be careful, be careful. They got the bed. They're gonna get the bed.
Did you get him?
Yes, I did.
Good. I'm gonna block the bed inside of him.
Yeah, like just use as much. Oh, they're coming back. I hit one off. One off. Blue team's low key bad. Wait, what?
He got our bed. He got our bed. We got him.
No, I hit. Wait, didn't he get off? Editor, play that back.
There were two. Oh, it's not good. Do you have any gold?
No.
No.
Nah, editor, play that clip back.
There were two.
Didn't I hit that guy off? No, I'm going.
Yes, you hit the one guy. One of the guys, but the other guy you was.
Yeah, but I hit one of them off. I'm sure I did that. And I'm going for their bed now.
Just don't die. I'm coming soon.
Oh, nah, you think I'm stupid, man? Get that bed. Get that bed. Get it. Get it. Kill him. Kill him. Kill him. Oh, I died.
I got this.
You got this, man. Don't
No,
die.
don't die.
No, kill that bed. Kill that bed.
I'm dead. I'm
Oh,
dead.
I thought it wasn't you.
Oh, we're so close.
Well, at least
This time we are gonna lose too, I think.
Nah, believe in us. We're gonna play for 1 hour straight.
1 hour.
Yeah, you said Minecraft vids were long, so now we are making a long one too. Don't complain, buddy.
I don't like this map.
Don't complain.
It's a Chinese map.
Ring-a-ding-a-ding-a-ding-a-ding. Your phone's ringing. Your phone's ringing.
Can I get some iron?
Iron. Am I taking it all?
No, you got a stack. I got like 4 stacks of wood.
Now get building.
I'm gonna build it in and then you just gonna, do what you do.
I do what I must do. Nice, green team already pushing us. Get the green team, guys. Nah, green team is actually cooking. Get out of here. You're not supposed to jump us. Yeah, that's good reinforcement, I guess. I bet you they have TNT with them. I think if the viewers really listen, they can hear you they can hear you clicking.
You think?
I just got hit off. You got this, you got this, you got this.
No, I don't.
You died? Where are they? There we go.
He get out of bed. We need to get his bed too.
Wait, did he get out of bed?
Yeah, can I get you some gold? Thank you.
We need to get his
Should I
bed.
buy iron armor or iron sword?
None. We need to get revenge. He fell. One of them fell. Yeah. I'm pushing.
I'm not with you, so.
Oh, that's good. That's good. No, that's not good. I died.
Did you die?
No, didn't get out of bed.
Didn't they?
What are you talking about? They didn't. Oh, they're coming. They're coming. They're coming. They're coming.
I got this. Yeehaw! Just calm.
Nah, bro, speed glitching.
Oh, he's back.
Yeah, they definitely get out of bed now.
No, they didn't get out of bed.
Yeah, there are two. Well, what are we supposed to... Wait. Got one of them. And get this one. Of course. Yes.
No.
He's down here. Blue team's actually...
I got one of them, but then I died by the other one. That was 1 HP.
Blue team is actually... Oh my god, they teamed. Like, they went... They didn't kill each other.
Yes, the green team was dead.
Oh. I didn't know that.
What?
I said I didn't know that. Wait, what? Why did you fall out?
I didn't.
It's
I'm not in the game.
Yeah, you disconnected.
What? No, I'm still in the game.
What the heck you mean?
I'm up in the lobby.
No, you actually got to be kidding me. And now I gotta wait for my bed to die before I even can get to you.
Yeah, I disconnected.
I'm actually just gonna try to kill a bed.
I'm in it again. I'm in the game.
Are you in my game?
Yes, I'm in your game, I think. Yeah, hi.
Hello. Well, I'm gonna keep up my mission about killing the other boys, killing the other bits.
Okay, so I think we are gonna attack now.
Yeah, 100%. We don't need to get cooked again.
I have a lot of wool. I have 2 stacks.
Nice. Just jump. They're here, they're here.
Where are their bed? Did you get their bed?
No, I didn't, cause they killed me.
Oh, I see. They're on the diamond. I'm gonna just build over to them.
Yeah, and kill that bed if you have a chance.
Get onto my building. Oh, he launched me.
Yeah, didn't you know you could do that? I got him down. I got him.
Did you?
Yeah.
I'm gonna pick out bit more.
Yeah, great idea. Now I will buy that, fireball. Protect our bed like this. Get some more wool. Wait, do you have iron? No, gold?
I have 2.
Okay, I need 1. I need 1. Can I get 1 gold ingot? Thank you. I'm gonna go to the other person's bed. You actually got it, everyone. I'm so sorry. The recording suddenly stopped without us noticing. But quick thing. We did we did not win the game. Sadly not.
Because we are very trash at this.
Yeah, I think we need to get someone to coach us
Yeah.
to know how to play this game better.
It would be cool if I could speed break a bit, but
Yeah. Wait, can you buy wool?
I have 2 stacked wools.
Wait, I can't buy wool.
Can't you buy wool?
No. Uh, um. I kind of think I fucked up.
Oh, you can't say those words.
I don't care. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm going for aqua. I'm going for aqua base.
Well, these bases are long away.
If I get Aquabit, this will be goated.
Yeah, but if you don't, this won't. Oh, they're coming, they're hurrying. Yeah.
You could have said that little sooner, couldn't you?
No, I actually couldn't. Because they only come right there.
Yeah, you could have said that.
No, I couldn't.
And sorry for the accent. Now they're blocking because they saw me coming. No, you actually got to kill me. I'm getting a TNT and then I'm going straight back.
How do I get a fireball?
What?
I can't see any fireball.
Oh. And I'm gonna get my revenge so much. And if I do, someone make an edit about this. Get out of here.
Be careful.
I know. Wait, they're going
He's getting
far a
over
bit.
to our bed.
Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him.
I died. You got it.
No, I died too. Please don't kill our bed. Please don't kill our bed. Be back
Yeah,
here.
I got it.
Okay, get some reinforcements.
See this?
Say less, boy.
Take some wool. Just block the hole. Can you block that hole?
Bro, it went to my inventory. I clicked. Right click. Oh my god, this gun is rage spreading me.
I fall down.
Nah, you actually got to be kidding me. We're actually so bad.
Over to us.
We're actually so bad at this game.
Yeah, like I said so.
Just like I said so. Let me just real quick mine these blocks.
Bro, how about the Aquarius?
Well, I mean, he is pretty good too. Can you please punch that dude off? Hello? No, one of them is solo.
I got him. No, he's solo. He's literally solo. Did you got him?
I got him.
Did you got him?
Got him.
Is our bed destroyed?
No. I got him. I made it just in time.
Do you have any iron I can get?
Iron?
Maybe 30?
I don't have. I have this much. Okay, yeah, I really need a new sword.
Oh, thank you.
Iron sword. Can I get some? Oh, they're fighting. They're fighting. It's our chance.
Yeah.
Get him. Get to them.
Bro, you just don't so I just fell.
My bad.
It was actually kind of annoying.
I died.
Did you die?
Yeah.
Seriously? Right.
Like, there was so many people over there. No, that Loki wasn't.
They're coming.
There. Come to.
No! I fell off. I fell off. Yes, you got him.
I got him.
Did you got him?
Yeah, I got him. I made him fall. Editor, play that back that clip. That was pretty cool.
No.
So Loki, what I did, come up here. No, I just Loki blocked off his way, so he fell down, and then he was like 4 HP, I think, and I could kill him. They're coming back.
Yeah, I can see that. Oh. Yeah, you fell.
That sword actually has much knockback.
Yeah, actually. But the iron sword has less. I don't know why.
Wait, they're getting pushed again. I'm going in.
Yeah, I'm
Get
coming.
their bed. Please, bro.
They're back here. Come, we're gonna get them. He's so low.
I got the bed. I got the bed.
Yeah, and one of them died.
Let's go. He won't respawn now.
There's a new one. No, I died.
Me too. It's all right. It's all right. They're gone. They're gone. Wait, which team was it again? Was it?
It was green.
No, their bed isn't dead. Wait, what?
Yeah, green bed isn't dead. Green and gray is the only ones.
If we can get green and gray, that would be
I
perfect.
think this is the longest we have mapped.
Yeah, it is too. And think about, I never bought an iron sword in this game. I only had wooden swords.
I have a stone sword. I always buy.
Wait, Aqua died. Our most wanted one died.
Yeah, I know. It was me who killed him.
Let's go. Wait, green team is coming. Green team's coming.
This green's coming.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Do you have fireballs?
No. Do you have iron ingots?
Yes, I have very many.
No, you can just drop them all at once.
Oh.
He's here.
He's here. Oh, I died. Did you die too?
No, but how much reinforced? We died.
He's running.
Our bed died.
Did our bed die?
Yeah,
No.
if you just have thrown those at once, we could have killed him. Be careful next time.
Yeah, I know.
If they just can get gray bed out and we could throw them out, we low-key might be.
They're coming.
They are?
Yeah.
I died.
What are my blocks just despawned when I placed them?
Yeah, I know, that's a bug.
But it's a very irritating bug.
Yeah, I don't like it either.
I tried to block, but then they just despawned.
Yeah, I know.
And then I died.
Yeah, for real.
I think we're just gonna defend our base so much we can.
Yes, this is the strat. Stay in our base. If anyone comes, kill them.
Yeah. We're gonna get some diamonds and then. Oh, I think this is a good map.
Might be. We are white. That's a good color too, I guess. Do you have iron? I need iron.
And how many?
I think 4 more. 4 more.
Oh, is that enough?
Yes. Totally is. Because now we can get other protection. Can this stuff blow up?
Yes, I think.
I don't know, but it's really hard to mine, so people will need other stuff. Gray is already pushing pink.
Yes?
Yeah.
Ah, that's great. You can buy like an iron sword.
Okay, good.
Should I buy an iron sword or should I just like
Buy iron sword.
iron sword? I got it.
I won't buy any swords. I think it's a waste. I think it's a total waste.
Whoa. Yeah.
I have a wooden pickaxe now. Pink isn't down? I thought they died.
There's no one who died.
Yeah, no.
Do you like need gold?
No.
No, I have 2.
I could use. Should I go for pink?
No, I think we need to go after the diamond. I'm
Diamond?
gonna go after the diamond.
Wait, someone's here. Someone's here.
Is someone here?
Yeah.
Where?
Aqua's here.
Oh.
And one of them just fell out in the void.
That is just a skill issue.
Oh, that's so bad about. That's so sad.
Just like, yeah, good. Block over to the base and then just like see if you can. I'm gonna see if I can like buy a pickaxe or something. No? Yeah.
No, they killed me.
I got a pickaxe.
Bro, if you were there, we could have killed them.
Yeah, but bro just jumped right into the void.
That's actually crazy. Okay, we need to get to them. We need to get to them.
I have a pickaxe so I can.
Yeah, good. Get to them. Get to them. Get to them.
I'm coming.
They're both off. They're both off.
Nice.
Get him.
What? No, I fell off.
No, you could have said that. I was so close to getting into that bed.
Yeah, I know. Me too.
Wait, we actually might have a chance in this game. Just get protection. Fight him. Kill him.
I still have my pickaxe, so.
I have blocks. Let's go get him. We need to get them. I'm actually so good at PvPing. Get him. Nice.
Yeah, we got it.
Now go get the last one. I'm gonna get into that bed.
Yeah, you
Kill him! I'm so low. I'm actually so low.
No, I fell off. Bro.
It's only cause I'm only playing with a wooden sword. I need a stone sword. Melee, 10 iron, and I'm good again. I can fight him. I can fight them.
Good. But it's so hard to get into those blocks.
I know how to. Just stay in base. Stay in base.
How?
You will find out eventually. Do you have a gold ingot? Okay, give me one, fast.
Yeah. I have made a way here. Come.
We are ready. Get to them,
Look,
fast.
we have a way here.
Get to them. This is like a life or death situation. Be careful, they got bow and arrow. They might be able to shoot me
Oh, they
off.
have like they can shoot arrows at us. That's not good.
Come on, you can do it. You can do it.
Oh, I don't think he have
Come on, just make the jump. I'm getting shot at.
Oh, yeah, I know. But how do we get into them? How do we have like 13 health? Oh, they're getting killed by yellow.
Yeah, I know. This is a perfect timing. Got their bed. Got one of them.
I
Yeah.
got the yellow one. Yes. Oh, TNT.
Yeah, I know. Get back to base. Steal the loot. Now back to base.
I know. Come.
Let's go. Okay, that was a nice one.
We wiped the first scene. Why did you do that? Seriously, why did you do that?
Because I didn't think there was a block there. Let's go.
Oh, it's because you can't place blocks into the base. Look.
Wait, you can't?
No, you can try. It's like a ghost block or something. Oh, so you can still parkour with them.
Yeah, I know.
What should I like buy? But how do you get there those fireballs?
The fireballs? I buy them.
Yeah. But I can't see any fireballs.
Oh.
How do they look like? Oh.
I'm sorry. Is Pink dead? Yes, Pink's dead.
Yeah, Pink's dead.
Let's go get yellow. Get yellow. Wait, I need blocks.
Look here. We can just do this.
Wait, I got teleported. We will go get...
Look, you can just parkour here. It's much easier.
Yeah, we need to go get the... Yeah.
Oh, they're over in their base.
I know.
It's not good. Oh, yellow's back. Yeah, I got him.
Yeah, but I feel... Okay, get to the bed.
No, because I'm just gonna wait on you. Just trust me. I can't get there to myself.
I'm gonna buy some blocks real quick so I don't die. I'm gonna get some...
He's coming at... No, he's not. Wait, what? I have 2 stacks of... I'm gonna buy some blocks here.
Yeah, let's go fast. I have a TNT we can destroy their bed with.
Do you?
Yeah, let's go fast. Okay, one of them is coming home. They won't notice this. Bed's gone. Kill them.
Yeah. I got one of them.
Me too.
Yeah.
They're dead. They had emeralds.
I need to go in 5 minutes.
Oh no. So like after this game?
I don't know, but I need to go in 5 minutes, so we need to hurry and get some more kills. Oh no.
Why did you even try that?
Because
Bro wanted to order for myself. Bro thought if he managed that we would get 1,000 subs.
yes, but I don't have a lot of time, so I think we need to like get to Gray and then.
Yeah, we need to hurry as
They have
much.
more TNT.
I have diamond sword.
What?
Yeah,
You have what?
I have a diamond sword.
Ah, that's tricky.
If I die with this, it's all over.
How did you get the diamond sword?
I used the emeralds I got from them.
Oh.
Is Pink dead? Yes, Pink dead. Wait, if you see a green player, kill him. We might be able. We might actually be able to win this.
Yeah, but we need to hurry, so.
Yeah, I'm gonna push yellow into green and then see if green's in his base. Oh, green's here. If I can kill green. Go get. Come to me. He's on his last life.
No, he is.
Yeah, he is.
He is. Like, we got him.
That was the final kill. Green's eliminated.
Nice.
We just need to win this game. And then we can say we aura farmed.
I got 3 diamonds and 2 emeralds.
Okay, nice. Okay, should we go to... Okay, red's not dead yet. Should we go to red?
You have TNT,
Wait,
right?
No, I don't. They're fighting, they're fighting.
Oh.
Is blue team dead? Blue team's dead. Don't get to... Don't! Don't!
Why not? I got him.
Yeah, but you...
No, he was 1 HP. Did I got him?
No, you didn't.
It was so low.
Like I said to you, you shouldn't go there.
I need to get them. They need to die.
I know you want to kill them, but if you let them fight first, we might actually have a chance. Wait, we could go to Gray in the meantime. We need to hurry.
Where are you?
I'm going to Gray space.
Oh.
And I'm feeling like I'm getting watched. I got Gray's bed. I got Gray's.
Nice.
We have a chance. We actually have the chance to win a game. I died with a diamond sword.
I'm also dead. I fell into the void, so.
I died with a diamond sword. But it's alright, it's alright. We are good. As long... Wait.
We just need to kill Gray and then we need to kill Red.
Yeah, I know.
Should we go over to Red? Who just did me?
What base are we gonna go for? I mean, we could go to take out the Red's bit. But if we do, that could be really risky. I'm gonna stay at home, just in case.
I'm still at the middle, so.
I have TNT now. I have TNT.
You have TNT?
Yeah. Should I block over to you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just come so fast you can.
Yeah, I'm trying to. If we win this game, everyone have to like and...
We have diamond gear.
Nah, you got to be kidding me.
Are you here?
I'm coming.
Sorry. Because I might be cooked.
If you can, like, get away from there.
He's not after me, so... How much does diamond gear cost?
It costs emeralds.
Oh, you're here. I'm here. Already?
Grey team is eliminated. They're the only ones left. Wait, crouch. Get to them. Quick. I'm gonna place a TNT.
Yeah, he's dead. Get to bed.
Bro, their bed is stacked. Get over here. No, you died.
I died.
R.I.P. I'm getting away from these dudes. Okay, we might have a chance on winning this. I'm taking diamonds with me home. If we just get the bed.
I have a gold pickaxe. I soon have a diamond pickaxe. I just need 5 more gold. Do you have any gold?
I have 8.
Oh yeah. Nice. Oh, I just need 1 more gold.
I have 8.
I have a diamond pickaxe.
Nice. If we can like get you blocked in and I can hold them out, we can win.
I just gonna get some blocks and then I'm gonna block me in.
Wait, can you get obsidian? No, that's emeralds. Wait, before we do anything, I'm gonna upgrade everything I can.
Okay, do that.
We got sharpness.
Sharpness? Oh, that's cool.
I'm gonna get some blocks. Okay, let's win this game. They're coming to us.
Oh no, don't
get him. No, you really died?
Yeah, men det gør ikke særlig meget damage. Yeah, I got him.
Nice.
Did he get out bed? He didn't get out bed.
Wait, we need to reinforce our bed as much as we can.
Yeah, but we don't have any like good blocks.
No, I know. If we can do this. Okay, yeah. Wait, he's diamond gear. No, wait.
Yeah, I know. I have 11. Oh, do you have just 1 gold?
What are you going to use it on?
Permanent iron armor.
Oh.
They're coming. He's coming.
Get him. Kill him.
Oh. It's right there.
No! Wait. No, he didn't.
Die?
Yeah, I fell down.
I'm still alive.
Okay, just get him. We need to win.
No, he has knockback on his sword or what?
Wait, you died?
Yes, I died.
The bed's gone. I died. GG. Can you make this?
No. Yeah.
GG.
I need to go.
Yeah. Okay, let's make the ending. Thank you for watching, and this was this video. Bye bye.